How can you use training needs assessments to bridge the gaps that your plant managers might have? Hi folks, my name is Kirk Langford. I'm the General Manager here at Unique Training and Development and Frontline Leadership Systems USA. Today we're talking about training needs assessments and how you can use them to bridge the skill gaps that your plant managers might have. First question is, why would you want to do this? What's the value? Well, what we need to remember is that we want to future-proof our organization against potential situations that might come up, potential global situations that we might have to deal with. The more skills and the better trained our plant managers are, the better capacity they'll have to deal with the challenges that face the organization, and in particular, the plant that they're managing. So we can use a training needs assessment, also referred to as a TNA, in order to identify what some of those skill gaps might be that we want to fill in or that we want to bridge. So the TNA is the tool that allows us to identify what some of those skill gaps are and start to understand the priority or the order that we want to fill in those gaps. I'm sure some of you have amazing plant managers with lots of wonderful skills and do a great job, but we also know that there's always continuous improvement to be thought about, and we want to make sure that we're providing that continuous improvement. Now, if you were to Google TNA and training needs assessment, you'd find lots of different ones, lots of variations. Your organization may have one that you use. But in any case, what you're looking for is that tool that helps you identify those skill gaps and then helps you understand how to fill them in, sort of where to start. All right? Now, that's the first step I want to give you. The second step, once you've had a chance to work through that training needs assessment and start to think about which gaps you want to fill in, that's where we can come in. We can help you give you the leadership tools, strategies that you need to make sure that your plant managers are up to snuff in all of their leadership skills. So that starts with a conversation, and you can reach us by going to our website at uniquedevelopment.com, and you can also find us on social media. We look forward to starting the conversation about how we can help you and your plant managers reach excellence.